Hi, good morning. I'm Hamid from Prwatech. Today we will learn about the HDFS commands, that how we can use the HDFS commands, because these are the basics for the Hadoop. So let's start. First, how we can check the version of Hadoop. So go on the terminal and write Hadoop version. Okay. Now you can see Hadoop is 2.6.5. We can see like that. How to check the root directory in HDFS? Suppose there is many files are in root directory. You can check out the root fs slash. As you can see, there are three files are there. Prwatech system technology. After that, how to check the amount space? Report of amount space. So we can see all the report through that how much size is and use size, free size available, use percentage. To that, after count the number of directories, that how many directories are there, we can count easily using count command. Root fs count, and after that HDFS, because we are talking about the HDFS. So when we count this total 4 directories are there in HDFS. Now how we can check the DFS file system utility. There is command for that. These are the healthy total size 0 byte directories are 4 files, the whole details. You can say as a utility, whole utility of the run a balancing utility. Using this command, you can check that this balancing took balancing times, and these are the balance. The cluster is balanced existing like this. After that, how we can create a new directory into HDFS. Suppose there are commands that Hadoop fs and get user training Hadoop. Hadoop fs and dir, and suppose I want to create a new chain like tech. It will create. Now you can check out this Hadoop fs ls list of all directories in root. So there will be list your tag files as well as. Got it. Now, how to put a simple file into HDFS? Suppose there is a file on my desktop. I'm creating on desktop a new file. Use as a tempo.txt. I create the data into tempo like I am studying into Prwatech. Now save this. We got the information in tempo. Now we have to go first on the desktop because we are getting this file on the desktop. So we create it on desktop. So that's why home Prwatech desktop ls this your file. Now you can use the command Hadoop fs put tempo.txt. Suppose you want to put this file onto tag, this one you created. So now you can see to list this using in tag. It will show that what file tag is containing. Tag is containing the tempo.txt. Okay. Now these are the basic commands for that. Now how to remove a file into HDFS using rm command. Now suppose this tempo file I have to remove, so I will use this rm command tag and tempo.txt. Okay. If you want to use to delete the directory, we can use do fs rm slash tempo. It will delete the directory. Okay. Oh, not tempo. Tag. Tag is a directory. Tempo was file. So tag is deleted. Now when we do ls, the file will be not there. The directory will be not there. So you can check out. Now these are commands. Tag to empty the trace. This is the basic commands for that to empty the trace. Loop fs expunge empty interval 0 minutes and deletion interval is 0 minutes. That between this duration of file is deleted. We have gone through this to how delete a directory from the HDFS. Now the copy from local is the same as put command. You can use instead of put command this command copy from local. Now Hadoop fs get Hadoop, that how we can read the data through terminal into HDFS. Suppose we put this file tempo.txt into HDFS. Into HDFS into main directory. Okay. Now after we want to read into HDFS through get command. So there was data I earlier mentioned. I am reading. After that, copy to local. Now these two commands copy from local, that we can copy the data from local system to HDFS. Copy to local is HDFS to local system. Now get command. How we can use the get command. Get command can be used alternative to copy to local. Suppose we are using the put command instead of copy from local. So we can use the get command. also, as well as suppose now tell display last kilobyte of the files. So that is the file tempo.txt. So it will show the tel files. That is I'm studying because we stored only this. If we store this kind of this much of data, it will only show the only last tails. These are tails. Okay. So Hadoop FS. Now, what is the file permission into HDFS? How we can set the file permission into HDFS? So for that we can use these commands. Suppose we put this file and now we are ls this file persist.txt and we put the main file tempo.txt here. Now how we can use the command for that? So first, to change the permission we have to give the permission for the user sudo. Okay, sudo hyphen u hdfs. After that we will learn the particular command for that. Okay, so let's get sudo hyphen u hdfs fs cs mode 600 and file name is tempo.txt. It's getting some error, I think. Okay. So it gives the permission. We will use Hadoop FS only. This is the different thing. Now these are the different commands, so we can check out through sudo hyphen u hdfs. Oh, now got the problem. You are using the root directory, so that's why you don't need to sudo permissions. Sudo is used for the user. If you are working on the user, you need to sudo. So that's why it's not taking this command. Suppose you are working on the Prwatech user, particular Prwatech user. So that time you have to use this file. Now we are working on the root directory, so that's why we don't need these files. So when you are working on the root directory, you have to use from here root fs hyphen change group and further commands. Now how we can migrate the data from one name node to another name node. The simple command is this. We can check the old file system, and for help we can check this command. Fs help. So you can see touch uses these are command basic. We can use into HDFS state right and from more permissions. So guys, hope you enjoy the session, and for the more information contact us on Prwatech.com. You can go on the Prwatech.com and you can subscribe our channel. I'll mention here the details. Okay, goodbye.